products in bulk. This is something you may want to do. One, if you've brought a load of products over, you may want to work with the importer to do it in one go. Or if you have a website where you can extract all your product list off it, you would just need to copy and paste the relevant information into the relevant fields for digital florists, and you can do them into one go. So to show you how you do this, you click on the cog into settings, you come down to the menu bar here and select products. Come across the right hand side and choose import products. To get the headings you need to fill in, you would click download CSV. I'm now going to get that from my downloads. There we go. So that downloads, sorry, I don't actually want it in that file. Let's go to get to Excel. Open with Excel. So then this would open up the list of products we have on the system already, so you can see everything. This is also how you edit, but I'll do that in a different video. We would then take off all the products because we don't really want to worry about products that are already on the system, and we just want to add products to the system. So the fields that you would want, these aren't necessary unless you're editing. A barcode, you might want that if you are selling barcoded products. So if you're selling a lot of gift stock, that sort of thing, you can have them on your point of sale system. So you could scan your barcodes to sell them. That is where you'd put there. Your product code. This, because it's designed to go with an import from a website, it does ask for product code because that is the way Digital Florist knows what product it is when it gets sold off your website. So yeah, you have to put in a product code. Category. So for this one, you'd want to assign it against one of the categories that you made earlier or you imported earlier. Product name, we're going to go test plant. If you had different variants of different sizes, you would have your different sizes here. You wouldn't have to fill in the rest of the fields, you'd just do your different sizes. And then you go into your next product there. So you would have standard, medium, large, and then it would recognise that they belong to this one. However, for this one, we're not going to go and put a variant in. You can fill in the designer. That is if you want to track whose designs sell the best. Brand, this is when you are selling barcode products. That is who you're buying them from. Description, this is where you'd put your menu. So if you want to put what goes into your bouquet, you would put it here, and then it would be visible on your worksheet or your digital worksheet, so you can use it paperlessly. For this one, it's we'll call it a cheese plant in Koya pot. You'd put your tax ID, which usually all be the same. You're either VAT registered or not. You'd put your price. You'd put your cost price in there. That tends to be if you've bought in the products. You'd put that in there, but you could put it in there, and then if you know what it is for your product. Stock. Again, this is if you're buying in products and you've got a finite amount of products, you might want to put it in here. Then as they're getting sold, they're getting taken out of stock, so you can track that. It's something we use at Peaks a lot, but I will do that in a different video because I think that is worthy of its own. If it is subject to stock control, you'd put yes there. Occasions, I think if you don't put an occasion, it assigns it against all. Age verification, if it's like alcohol or something. Attachment, again, if it's got a photograph attached to it. Visible, I think it assumes it's visible if you don't put it. And deleted, it doesn't. That's more to do with editing, so you can delete in bulk if you want to. So that is all for my new product that I'm going to put up. Those are all the fields I need. I'm just going to save that, and then we are going to upload that and show you how the product goes into here. So I'm going to go import products. I'm going to choose my file. I'm going to choose that same one that I've just uploaded and hit import. Now it's recognised that it's a new record. So these things are not applicable, and after it's put the new record in. So now we're going to click import, and it says tells you it's imported successfully, and you click OK. Obviously I've only put one product in there, but you could fill that in with loads and put lots in at once. So just to show you that product that I've just added, if I go to create order, add product, we're going to go to indoor plants, and there you go, this is the test ban. I didn't put a picture with it, so it hasn't got a picture with it, but it is there. And that is how you utilize the importer to import products in bulk.